Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best Garmin watches that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Tired of smartwatches that can't keep up with your adventures? Struggling with short battery life or limited features during outdoor activities? Whether you're hiking, diving, running, or training, most wearables just don't cut it. You need a smartwatch that's tough, versatile, and reliable. Meet the Garmin Fenix 8 to 51mm, a premium multisport GPS smartwatch with a sapphire AMOLED display, titanium design, and a durable spark orange/graphite band. Display and build: 1.4-inch round AMOLED screen with sapphire crystal for scratch resistance. Titanium body for durability. Tracking and sensors: built-in GPS, activity tracker, multi-sport modes, and notifications. Perfect for running, cycling, swimming, diving, and hiking. Battery life: long-lasting 500 mAh lithium polymer battery to last through extended trips. Connectivity: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB for syncing data and updates. Extra tools: dive-rated design, built-in LED flashlight, and advanced health metrics. Storage: 32GB onboard memory for music, maps, and apps. Pros: rugged titanium build, excellent battery life, comprehensive activity tracking, vibrant AMOLED display, and waterproof design. Cons: premium price tag, $1,194.95, slightly bulky for smaller wrists, and feature-packed interface may feel overwhelming to beginners. Ideal for athletes, adventure enthusiasts, hikers, divers, and anyone who wants a top-tier multi-sport GPS smartwatch with advanced tracking and durability. At $1,194.95, the Garmin Fenix 8 is expensive, but its robust build, extensive features, and long battery life make it a worthy investment for serious outdoor and sports enthusiasts. Number 4. Introducing the Garmin Vivoactive 6, a health and fitness GPS smartwatch with a sleek slate design and a black band, designed to keep you active and connected all day. Display and build: 1.2-inch round AMOLED touchscreen, lightweight and comfortable for everyday wear. Health and fitness tracking: track steps, heart rate, sleep, cycle, and activity, plus advanced fitness metrics. Battery life: up to 11 days on a single charge, perfect for long workouts and outdoor adventures. Connectivity: Bluetooth enabled for notifications, music control, and syncing data. Storage and extras: 8GB internal memory for apps and music, built-in GPS for accurate outdoor tracking, and an alarm clock for daily reminders. Pros: lightweight, stylish, long battery life, accurate GPS and health tracking, easy-to-read AMOLED display. Cons: smaller screen, 1.2-inch, limited advanced features compared to premium Garmin models, no Wi-Fi connectivity. Perfect for fitness enthusiasts, casual athletes, runners, and anyone looking for a reliable smartwatch for daily health and activity tracking without overspending. At $299.99, the Garmin Vivoactive 6 offers great value for its combination of fitness tracking, long battery life, and GPS features, making it an ideal mid-range smartwatch choice. Number 3. Meet the Garmin Forerunner 965, a high-performance running smartwatch with a colorful 1.4-inch AMOLED display, designed to take your training and recovery to the next level. Training and performance: advanced metrics including VO2 max, wrist-based running dynamics, training readiness, daily suggested workouts, race predictor, and wrist-based running power. Health and recovery: tracks sleep, sleep score, body battery energy, women's health metrics, and overall performance condition. Navigation and sports: full color mapping, turn-by-turn course directions, triathlon and multi-sport profiles, and cross-training support. Connectivity and storage: 32GB storage, built-in GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB for syncing and music. Extra features: built-in sports apps, race-adaptive training plans, and a lightweight, comfortable design for all-day wear. Pros: accurate GPS and advanced training metrics, excellent recovery tracking, full color maps, long-lasting battery, lightweight and comfortable. Cons: slightly expensive at $499.99, packed features may overwhelm casual users, limited smartwatch-style apps compared to premium Garmin watches. Perfect for runners, triathletes, and serious fitness enthusiasts who want detailed performance tracking, guided workouts, and advanced recovery insights. At $499.99, The Garmin Forerunner 965 is a strong value for athletes seeking advanced metrics, recovery tools, and navigation features in a lightweight, high-quality smartwatch. Number 2. Introducing the Garmin Instinct 3 to 45mm, a rugged outdoor GPS smartwatch with an AMOLED display, built for adventure and long-lasting performance. Durable build, metal-reinforced bezel and rugged design for tough outdoor conditions. Display and size, 1.2-inch round AMOLED touchscreen, clear and readable in sunlight. Battery life, up to 18 days on a single charge, ideal for extended trips. Tracking and navigation, built-in GPS, activity tracker, multi-sport modes, and notifications to stay connected anywhere. Extras, built-in flashlight, alarm clock, Bluetooth, USB, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Storage, 4 GB onboard memory for apps and offline features. Pros, extremely durable, long battery life, accurate GPS, rugged design, AMOLED display, useful built-in flashlight. Cons, smaller screen, 1.2-inch, limited storage, 4 GB, premium price at $419.89. Perfect for hikers, outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and adventure athletes who need a rugged, reliable smartwatch that can handle extreme conditions. At $419.89, the Garmin Instinct 3 offers strong value for adventurers who prioritize durability, battery life, and reliable GPS over smartwatch bells and whistles. Number 1. Introducing the Garmin Forerunner 165, a running smartwatch with a colorful AMOLED display, designed to help you track your training and recovery with ease. Display and build, 1.2-inch round AMOLED touchscreen, lightweight and easy to read. Training metrics, tracks running performance, recovery insights, and basic fitness stats. Connectivity, Bluetooth, USB, and Wi-Fi for syncing workouts and notifications. Battery life, 30 mAh lithium polymer battery for daily training sessions. GPS, built-in GPS for accurate distance, pace, and route tracking. Storage, 4 GB internal memory for workouts and apps. Pros, affordable, accurate GPS, lightweight and comfortable, colorful AMOLED display. Cons, smaller screen, 1.2-inch, basic feature set compared to premium Garmin models, battery may require frequent charging for heavy use. Ideal for beginner to intermediate runners, casual athletes, or anyone wanting a reliable GPS smartwatch without overspending. At $199.99, the Garmin Forerunner 165 delivers solid GPS accuracy and essential training metrics at a budget-friendly price, making it a great value for everyday runners. Check the link in the description to grab your Garmin Forerunner 165 today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smartwatch reviews and fitness tips.